The riads of Marrakech are famous for providing an authentic experience to the visitors. So if you are planning a trip to Marrakech, don't book yourself into a hotel, try staying in a Moroccan riad instead.
It's 8 o'clock in the morning and we are here in our breakfast table.
I just woke up, so I'm a little bit groggy at the moment. But we had a good night's sleep, alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
It's a very quiet and tranquil place. Not many people around here. We seem to be the only one at the breakfast table. Shukran.
And here is our very friendly sister Fatima. Yeah, there she is. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
She is always with a very nice smiling face.
Walaikum salam. Shukran. So what do we have here?
Very traditional bread, butter, then cake and flatbread and some jam, I think, and honey and some freshly squeezed orange juice, and we have coffee.
Yep.
You will find a whole range from budget to high-end. At Riyad Nabila, they charge around 40 euros per night for a standard double room. There are riads all over Morocco, but mainly in the older parts of the cities. Here in Marrakech, you will find them in the old town called Medina.
So the riad, I was saying, these were residential houses for large joint families. We are now staying at a house where there were many stories, many families lived, many kids grew up. These were places of a lot of memories, a lot of laughters. This used to be the inner courtyard of the riad, as they call it, and if you see upwards, you'd see that the bedrooms used to be up there. So people used to live there, the families, and they would spend time here near the pool in the inner courtyard, and there's a terrace up there as well. We'll show that to you.
So this is the terrace. There's an orange tree here and some other plants as well. There's some nice seating areas. You can come up here and spend some time. You can have tea, you can have breakfast here. It's a nice place to hang out.
A lot of roads in Marrakech are like this, very narrow, and there are no street signs, so it's really like a maze.
From the street level, you may not realize you're in front of a riad. Having been designed as private, intimate spaces for families, there's often no outward glamour other than a simple wooden door on a narrow street. The riads are inward focused, which allowed for family privacy and protection from the weather. You will notice a centrally placed interior garden or courtyard and a lack of large windows on the exterior wall. This design principle found support in the Islamic notion of privacy for families. Entrance to these houses encourages inner reflection, as all these rooms open into this central atrium space. In the central garden of traditional riads, often there are orange or lemon trees and often a pool or fountain.
They serve this great mint tea at the riad. It's sweet and very refreshing. And you see this table that we are having the tea on, and we had our breakfast on this table, actually the other one over there. But these tables, these are tiles, intricate designed tiles, and with metal on the side. So these are quite old tables, not the usual table you see every day. Nice.
The unique design of riads also helps to keep the air cool and comfortable, particularly during hot Moroccan summers.
This is our hotel room, Riyadh as they would call it. This gives you a flavor of how it would have been to live in these family houses a few centuries ago in Morocco. There's a nice painting of how it would have been in the courtyard, a young woman being ready for her wedding or something like that, I think. And in this room, it's quite nicely decorated, sort of gives the flavor of the time.
While the riad has a traditional feel to it, it also provides all necessary modern amenities such as Wi-Fi and air conditioning. Please subscribe for more videos from Morocco and from around the world. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. We'd also like to hear from you in the comments. See you on the next video.